Hello, welcome back to Let's Hang Out on Indoz Tv. I'm Sharmeen Thomas, your favorite host. Today's episode of Let's Hang Out is a very special one, and my guest for today is Sonalisa Mishra. Sonalisa Mishra Brisbane की एक स्टार है, कलाकार है और एक झनकार है. She runs Sonalisa Mishra Productions, which is organizing the upcoming World Music Night on the 24th of October. I'm here today at Sonalisa's home, where we take you through a little sneak peek of what's happening behind the scenes and how exactly they're preparing. So let's go and get straight into an absolute behind the scenes mode and find out what exactly is it that sets World Music Night apart from the rest of the events. Let's go. Hi, Sonalisa.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are the practices and everything going? I am so excited and welcome to Let's Hang Out. I know मैं आपके घर आई हूँ hang out करने, but ये मेरा episode है Let's Hang Out. So
I'm sorry, I'm a little bit not well.
That's
I
okay.
have flu,
You're doing the right thing
with the
by putting on the mask. But yeah, and match भी करते हैं आपके. चलिए. All right, let's go straight into it. I can't wait to see what's to it and see what everyone's been up to, what you've been up to. The sound is just, the whole house is reverberate. So is everyone practicing here?
Yeah,
oh,
they're practicing.
Wow.
Guys, meet Sharmeen.
Hi.
And here's Steve.
Hi,
Sean.
Steve. Hi, Sean.
Gimshan.
Hi,
And Pranav is missing.
Pranav is missing.
Ishika.
Hi, Ishika.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Honestly, I could just hear the sounds while walking in, and it just sounds so good. Like यहाँ पे it's sounding so good. I can't even begin to imagine what it'll sound like on the final night.
Thank you.
So good.
They're still practicing.
Sonalisa, once again, welcome to Let's Hang Out at your beautiful hangout.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for coming to my house.
Thank you so much for having us here. What a great rehearsal session you're happening.
Yeah,
I mean, I can really feel the energy.
I know. This time is my most precious time, I could say. And music is like higher energy. So I love it. I don't know about anyone, but I love it. My musicians loves it.
I think your passion really comes through. But talking about passion, Sonalisa, before we talk about the event, which of course is one of the reasons why we're here, I just want to know, Sonalisa, what's your story? When did music begin for you, and what has brought you to this point?
It started like long time back. I've learned Hindustani classical at the age of 3.
Wow.
And then I was a dancer, and it was also long time back. My mom was very fond of it, so she said that okay, you have to learn all the art forms. And then I got my first job at Akashvani Cuttack at the age of 7. So I was the youngest.
Radio?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, Kashmir.
Yeah.
And that was back in Orissa. Right.
Yeah. At the age of 7, I was the youngest artist hired. So, and then I got my scholarship in Odissi dance, and then Hindustani classical vocal. So yeah, it started in that way. Then after marriage, it was all stopped. So I went to PNG. From PNG, when I came here, I met Steve and other musicians, and then it started.
Started all over again. Yes. I think sometimes you just need to connect with the right people to reignite the passion and all of that.
Yeah.
And since you've sort of come back into the circle of music, so the show that you're having, World Music Night, how many events, how many editions have you had of this event before?
Already, I did 3 events already.
So this is the 4th.
So this is the 4th. Yeah. Last year I did 2.
Okay, right.
Yeah. I think June and November I did 2 events, and 2023 I did 1 event that is on August. So this is my 4th event, and it's totally multicultural. It's nothing like Bollywood only.
Right.
It's
I was just gonna actually ask you like.
Only.
Right. I was just going to actually ask you, like, what is it that sets World Music Night apart from the other events? Which, I mean, there've been so many music events in Brisbane over the last few years, and this year has been full of it. And I think people always want to know a reason why they should attend your event, apart from the fact that, we are supporting a local artist. But what is it that sets your event apart?
It's all like inclusion. Different people, different community, they can come. They will feel like they're included, and in music there is no barrier, right?
Yes.
Music doesn't go for any language or any country or something like that. So this event, when you will come, you will feel the different genres, different languages, and you feel like you are included, and you will also have your friends, you will network, you will have different mindset kind of people. So it's just different of that. And then the musicians, when I came here, when I started this event, the reason for that is all my musicians, they are very much like, they are like pro musicians. Any other event you will go and listen to only English, but in my event you
get a little
listen
bit
to
of
all the mix up of.
And I think I witnessed that straight away in the rehearsal as well. I was not coming to a place where it was just Bollywood music. There was a little bit of everything. And just talking about those genres of music that will make up your World Music Night, can you tell us a little more about these genres?
Genres are like, obviously it's like Indian and Western techniques are involved, and then mostly jazz, pop, rock. So you will listen, now you are listening all the electric guitar. It's rock. So when my daughter, she sings jazz, she's a conservatorium singer, so she sings jazz. Drummer is also a jazz drummer. So they are all like, they are doing their experiments, they are doing when we start our practice at we start normally at 11, it sometimes finishes like 8. Then I have to tell them, pack up now, guys, pack up. Because they don't want to go, they just want to continue. It's
because I think you're one of those people who brings out that creativity in them, and I think that's also perhaps because you've had your own solo productions that you've composed and sung yourself. And I think maybe that's why you understand the creativity that a musician needs to have. Do you play any instruments as well, Sonalisa?
I know piano and harmonium, but I don't play it in live. But I play and I teach. I'm a vocalist, I teach vocals. I have students from the age of 7 till the age of 55.
Wow, wonderful. And where do you hold these sessions of yours?
Here only, one-to-one sessions.
That's
because every vocals, every vocal texture is different and tonality is different, so you can't do that in a group. So sometimes someone have little bit lower kind of voice, and sometimes has a little tenor or soprano kind of voice. So you don't have to teach you have to teach them individually. So
I'm feeling very inspired listening to you now. It's like मेरी बात करते करते कहीं मेरी आवाज़ नहीं बदल जाए. But tell me, so World Music Night में obviously you have got all the entertainment which is planned. But apart from that, what else can people look forward to at the event? Like, is there dinner or
Yes,
anything
yes.
like that?
Food is included.
Food is included in the ticket
2-course
price.
meal.
Okay.
That is like Indian.
And this is a
2-course.
sit-down dinner?
Yes, sit down. Yeah.
That's a fabulous evening.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, like $70 included 2-course meal. It's like a main course like rice, gobi, lamb, fish, you know, those kind of
Okay, मुझे भूख लग रहा है.
dal and garden salad, something, and then some more dishes. And then there's a mousse.
Okay.
They will serve it on your table. So they will come and individually serve you.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. I mean, nothing. You know, there's no better feeling than having a lovely
Yeah, and
sit-down dinner.
it's a 5-star hotel, so
Yes.
you'll have a that kind of fine dining kind of
Atmosphere,
experience.
yeah.
And then there will
Fine
be
dining, fine music.
yeah, and then there will be 5 projectors, so you will see all the background like motion backgrounds, and then the advertisements of the sponsors, raffles, and all the artists. So you'll have all the posters sliding. There will be a digital screen also. Keep on scrolling,
All the
that-
sponsors.
Yeah.
But talking about sponsors and supporters, Sonalisa, I think this is more on a personal note, woman to woman.
Yeah.
What are some of the challenges you've had in organizing this? I mean, this is your 4th event, so
Yeah.
obviously this is an event that people look forward to. But do you think you face any roadblocks, any challenges being a woman?
Till now, no, nothing. People really supporting me, and they like the music. Even till now, people always say that like this year I was thinking I won't do because of other commitments. My daughter moved to Sydney. I was thinking, oh, I should do or not. But people, they were calling like, okay, Sonalisa, when are you doing your event? We are still, waiting for the date. So then I thought, okay, they are waiting for it. So yeah, so they are supporting. They are very supportive.
That's good.
Sponsors are also, and a lot of people are buying the tickets, and that is quite nice. Yeah, I feel good about it.
That's good. No, honestly, I'm really looking forward to your event, Sonalisa. But before we wrap up, is there anything else that you'd like to share with our viewers today about yourself, about the event, about Sonalisa Mishra Productions? One parting note.
Oh, no, I always feel like no one is higher than music. No one is higher than any high frequency. When you feel low, come to any concert and charge up your energy, and then go back, and you will literally feel the energy when you will go from a music concert. So come to this event. This is entirely like also all my musicians are different background. Some are Sri Lankan, some are Nepali, Fiji Indian, and then Aussie also. They're like mixed cultures. So you come, this is like a multicultural event, and you will feel good. You will have a high energy.
High energy.
Yeah.
Honestly, I can already feel it, and I'm really looking forward to your event, Sonalisa. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for joining us on Let's Hang Out. We are absolutely looking forward to
thank you so much.
being part of your event. And thank you so much for having Indoz TV and the team at Let's Hang Out.
Thank you. Thank you
you.
so much.